Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So from now on we are starting a series in which I will be showing and explaining about the DIY 3D printer so that you can understand and you can also build your own 3D printer at your home. So in the first video I will be showing you that how you can build your frame for 3D printer, and I will also show you the exact lengths for the frame and how many profiles and nuts and bolts are you are going to use. And after that I'll be showing you mechanical components of 3D printer like gantries, wheels and pulleys, etc. So after building the complete frame I will go to the electronics and I will show you that which electronics components you are going to use, and we will start assembling the printer one by one. I will exactly show you that how you can attach the electronics components on the frame, gantries, etc. So in the fourth video we will see that how we can attach electronics on the frame, and also we will show you that how you can do the wiring of 3D printer. And after that we will see that how we can attach the controller with the wiring of electronics components. And in the end we will see the firmware of 3D printer. I will show you exact firmware for that 3D printer, and also I will let you know that if you want to change your firmware for any other 3D printer, so you can also do that. At the end we will also run some tests on the printer so that you can see that how it is going to work. So be ready for the series and you can build your own 3D printer in just few days. So stay connected, and if you have any question you can ask me in comment section anytime. So see you in the next video and first video of our 3D printer. Till then, Allah Hafiz.